So we are here at Sage Medi Spa Studio in Westland, Oregon. And we would like to ask you, what did you want to get out of your Botox and filler course today? And how do you feel after you have completed it?
I was hoping for some hands-on direction with my injections, and I got exactly that out of the training. I got a lot of instruction on exactly where to inject and why, and it was extremely helpful, and I feel confident moving forward.
Yay!
I would say the same thing. I really just wanted more hands-on experience and having someone direct me and making sure I'm going to the right muscles and the right areas. And I definitely feel much more confident in going forward and feel safe.
Awesome.
I couldn't agree more with both of you guys. It's the same thing. Gives me a strong confidence on if I'm doing right or wrong. Your directions was very clear, how you're doing it, what exactly we're supposed to do. So I think this was really helpful after watching all those online training.
Awesome.
I felt very strong.
Thank you.
Well, I'm just an observer today, but I learned a lot.
Awesome.
I appreciate you coming to train us.
Yes.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.